Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Zoom meeting for Windows. Alright guys, here I have opened my Zoom application on my laptop, and here I have created a room. And if you want to change our Zoom name, first thing we're going to do is clicking on the participant option right here, and I'm the only participant of this Zoom meeting. And we can tap on this three dots button on our name and just tap on rename, and you can rename your Zoom name right here. And I'm going to rename like this, and after we're done we just need to click on change. Okay, now as you can see that my name has been changed, and that's how we can change our name on Zoom meeting for Windows. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.